Welcome to a special assembly for O'Neill's middle and upper schools. As you all know, February is Black History Month, and in recognition, we will have a wonderful musical performance this morning. Black History Month has origins starting more than a century ago, and the movement started as a week in February to coincide with the birthdays of President Abraham Lincoln and abolitionist and author Frederick Douglass. In 1976, the bicentennial year of our nation, President Ford officially recognized Black History Month. In doing so, President Ford asked that everyone, quote, seize the opportunity to honor the too often neglected accomplishments of Black Americans in every area of endeavor throughout our history, end quote. This morning, we are honored to have Ms. Christine Wilder here to sing in recognition of this special month. Ms. Wilder is a key part of O'Neill's transportation services, and many of you have met her as a driver. She will be singing Lift Every Voice and Sing. Originally a poem, Lift Every Voice and Sing was written to celebrate the 100th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birthday in 1905. But in the ensuing years, it became and remains an important anthem of the civil rights movement. Please join me in welcoming Ms. Wilder.
Lift every voice and sing until earth and heaven rings. It'll ring with the harmony of liberty. So let our rejoicing rise high as the listening sky. So let it resound loud as the rolling sea. Sing a song full of the faith that the dark past has brought us. And sing a song full of the hope that the present has taught us. And facing their rising sun of our new day begun. So let us march on until victory is won. Now, God of our weary and God of our silent tears is a God who has brought us thus far along the way. But thou who has by thy might led us into the light. So keep us forever in thy path, we pray. Lest thou feet straight from the places of God where we met thee, and lest our hearts drunk with the wine of the world we forget first times, and true